Hey everyone, and welcome to this guided tour of LearnCore. If you're involved in running an educational institution, you know exactly how complex it can get. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you how LearnCore's all-in-one platform doesn't just manage that complexity, it actually simplifies it, completely transforming your daily operations. So let's just start by being real about the challenge. You're juggling admissions, fee collections, academic planning, student records, staff management, parent communications. The list goes on and on. It feels like a constant balancing act with a million moving parts, just like you see here. And that right there is the exact problem LearnCore was designed to solve. It takes that whole tangled web of tasks and funnels everything into one single, powerful, and genuinely easy-to-use platform. So let's dive in and see how it actually works. Okay, so here's our game plan. We've broken this down into 6 key parts. We'll kick things off with the foundation, the centralized hub, then we'll walk through operations, your people, the academics, your community, and finally, the data and control that pulls it all together. First up, let's get to the core idea behind LearnCore. It's all about the power you get when you bring every single process into one unified system. So you know the old way of doing things, right? Disconnected spreadsheets, maybe one piece of software for finances, another for student records, stacks of paper everywhere. It's a mess. LearnCore just replaces all of that with this, one seamless central hub. This creates what we call a single source of truth, which means everyone, admins, teachers, parents, is looking at the exact same up-to-the-minute information. The result? Total efficiency. All right, now let's see how that central hub actually makes your day-to-day life easier. We're going to start with the 2 areas that are really the backbone of any institute, your front office and your finances. Think about your front desk. It's the nerve center of your whole operation. Well, LearnCore turns it into a real command center. An admission inquiry comes in, it's tracked from the first call. A visitor pops by, they're logged. A complaint is filed, it's recorded and tracked all the way to resolution. Every single interaction is captured professionally and, most importantly, efficiently. Now, for one of the biggest administrative headaches out there. Fees. LearnCore makes the entire life cycle pretty much effortless. You can set up complex fee structures, collect payments, track bank transfers, you name it. But honestly, the real magic is in the automation. Searching for who's overdue, applying discounts, and sending out automated payment reminders, it completely transforms the entire process. And all of that gives you this, a complete, real-time picture of your institute's financial health. You've got every source of income on one side, from fees to donations, and every single expense tracked on the other. At any given moment, you have a perfectly clear, searchable financial record. No more guesswork. So, with your operations running like a well-oiled machine, you can finally put more focus on what really matters, your people. And LearnCore has incredibly powerful tools for managing both your students and your staff. The system is built to handle the entire student journey from start to finish. You can see it right here. It all starts with that initial inquiry, then moves through a super smooth admission process, lets you manage all their details, and finally makes it simple to promote them to the next grade. Every single step, all in one place. And of course, your staff are just as important. The Human Resources module is built right in to support them completely. You get a full staff directory, attendance and payroll are integrated, and there's a simple digital system for leave requests and approvals. It even helps you with teacher performance ratings, giving you the tools you need to support your team's growth. Okay, so an institute that runs smoothly is great, but its core mission is education. A well-run institute needs powerful academic tools, and LearnCore absolutely delivers, with a full set of features that cover everything from planning lessons to final exams. I love this because it really shows you the top-to-bottom approach. It starts on the micro level, with teachers building out their own detailed lesson plans. Then, on a macro level, admins can easily track how the syllabus is progressing. The system then uses all that information to help you assign teachers and generate organized timetables for the entire school. The whole examination process is managed end-to-end, too. You can design your own admit cards, schedule the exams, and once they're done, teachers can plug the results right into the system. From there, printing official, professional-looking mark sheets is literally just a click away. You know, beyond the admin work and the academics, a truly great institute is a connected one. That's why LearnCore is also built to help you foster a really strong collaborative community between your students, their parents, and your staff. And you can do it all from a single dashboard. Need to get a message out fast? Use the digital notice board or send an email or SMS blast. Want to share study guides? That's what the Download Center is for. Everything from homework assignments to managing your public website is integrated to keep everyone in the loop and feeling connected. Okay, we're in the home stretch. So what happens when you bring all this information from all these different areas together? Well, you get unparalleled insight and you get total control to make the system truly your own. Let's see how. This right here is where the magic of having a centralized system really pays off. With all your data in one spot, LearnCore can generate incredibly powerful reports. We're talking over 9 different reporting modules, giving you analytics on everything from financial performance to student attendance. This isn't just data for data's sake. This is the information you need to make smarter, data-driven decisions for your institute. And I want to be super clear about this. This is not a rigid one-size-fits-all solution. You have complete control to customize the software for your institute's specific needs. You can set really specific roles and permissions for every single user, plug in your own payment gateways, and even add custom fields to capture the unique data that matters most to you. So let's just bring it all home. At the end of the day, it's all about this: getting your entire institute unified and simplified, all on one platform. LearnCore isn't just a list of features. It's a whole new way of thinking about management. It's about taking all that crazy complexity and transforming it into something simple, powerful, and unified. We really hope this quick tour has shown you just how powerful LearnCore can be. It's about more than just software. It's about building an institution that's more efficient, more connected, and ultimately more successful. So the only real question left is, are you ready to transform how you manage your institute?